Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cozy Up with Vishnu. If you're new here, I post cooking, baking, travel videos, DIY and lifestyle videos almost every single day. So please subscribe, like, share and comment and click on the bell notification. Hi guys, I'm so happy I'm back again making videos and thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you guys have already checked out the shots related to my Alaska journey, but if you haven't, make sure you go check it out under the playlist Alaska journey. But I wanted to do a proper video for all the favorite parts of Alaska travel. So this is my first favorite part, which is like RV that we used to travel. This is kind of like RV tripping, and this is not my first time doing RV tripping, but this time it was so much fun. So this is the RV that we used. This is basically Winnebago 32 feet mini Winnie RV. It was really cool to drive. It wasn't so hard and I love driving this thing. Let's go. I will take you on a ride before I show you around the RV. If you want to live a life where you wake up to a different scenery every single day, go for this RV travel. So it was amazing. Every single day I woke up to a different sceneries, but still I had all the home comfort. So this RV travel was like amazing. Here we are. Now come on you guys, come inside. I'll show you around the RV. As soon as you get inside, you come to this seating area, and left side of it you can see the bunk bed where two people can sleep comfortably. Now moving on to the seating area, I have Sai Satwik's car seat in here. On the opposite end you have the kitchen island, the entire island with a sink and a gas stove. The stove was really comfortable. It's a gas stove with 3 burners, and then you have to close it down during driving. Moving on to the dinette area where you can sit and travel because you have a seat belt here. At the same time, you can actually convert this into a sleeping area. And now you're seeing the pantry. It's just really big and it is bigger than what I have in my home. And the microwave is small but comfortable. Now look at the fridge. It's actually the size of the fridge in our home in India. It's fully stocked for a 1-week trip. We have yogurt, milk, and there is a freezer also. We have pizza and there is the leftover lollipop. Now going to the master bedroom. Once you enter the master bedroom, there is a thermostat where you can control your AC and heater. Look at the beautiful ceiling with the AC vent and lights. Those are like recessed lighting. It's really beautiful and then comfortable for when you want to work. And this is the half bathroom. It has the sink also, and there's a small storage. The best part is you can actually flush it with your leg. And then this is like full shower with the sunroof, so the lights flood in. And there is also a cooler where you can keep your fish if you're fishing. Now moving on to the master bedroom. Master bedroom was really huge, but the special part was the windows on both sides. It was like huge windows, so when I wake up in the morning I get to see this beautiful scenery. So every single day I woke up to a beautiful sceneries that is different from the previous day. Let me introduce the youngest driver in the world in the cockpit, Satwik. Satwik, do you want to say hi? Please say hi. Hi. Travel tip, there's so much storage in the RV. I use this travel cube to store all my kids' essentials. So every single time when I need it, I don't have to run towards the trunk. And even when we are driving, I still had access to all the things that I need for my kids. This is the main panel where you have access to the generator, water heater and water pump switch. You have to hold the generator switch for a minute for the generator to start, and then the microwave, and you will have access to your AC system. And there you also have sensor sensor indicator where it will show you the level of the LPG gas and fresh water, black water and grey water in the RV. Now this is the most favorite part of mine. Usually what I feel inside the RV is a little cramped, but this RV has the pull-out extension, which means that we can push it out a little bit to make it enlarged, and that kind of makes the living inside RV much more better and provided the in-home experience. Now that you have seen the inside of the RV, I'm going to take you guys for a ride. Now, before that, we have to prep for the ride. So let's just prep together. Make sure you have nothing on the countertop. That is going to be a falling hazard. The last step is pull in the extension. Now we are travel ready. Let's go for a ride. I hope you like this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and click on the bell notification so you'll be the first one to know when I upload the videos.